You got it in a fraction. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were good, then you could manage. Yeah. Oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me stars. Promise that you won't let me fall.
That I can have this moment for life.
You could do that. You could do
Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment, I'm king. In this very moment, I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment, I put it on everything. That I will retire with the ring. And I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes, clap for the heavyweight champ, me. But I couldn't do it all alone, we.
First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world. It ain't I'm so cozy. Treat me like better day than catch today. I just take it day by day.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking.
I go strippers, we share in some midnights. We share stories about life and wrongs. First of all, get these bitches. I ain't even care about your wishes. You know I'm a different girl. I come from a different world. It ain't I'm so cozy. Treat me like better day than catch today. I just take it day by day.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking.